Hello children, I welcome you to the bridge course, and in this video let us learn about the planets, and it's a part 1. In this picture you can see a complete solar system, and we can see the earth here. Okay, earth, which is the third planet from the sun. Okay, and what is solar system? Solar system is a family of the sun. In simple words we can say that a family of a sun is called as solar system. In one more way we can say that the collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit around the sun, together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids and comets, is called as solar system. Solar system is nothing but the collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit around the sun, together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. Here we can see that sun is the center of the solar system. So it's like a sun is the head of the family. Okay, here we can see that sun is the main of the center of the solar system, and their moons around the orbit the sun. Okay, I'll explain you once again here. Here I'll show you that there is a sun, and we can see the oval shaped lines. Okay, actually there is nothing line or nothing like that. Okay, but it's a path. It is shown for our reference that they move around the sun. All these planets move around the sun. Okay, these are nothing but the orbits. It is the path. Orbit is nothing but the path where the planets move around the sun. Then what is planet, children? A very large round object in space that moves around the sun or another star is known as planet. Children, remember one thing, that sun is a star. Now what we see the sun in the morning to evening, what we see it is our nearest star. We say that at night we see many stars, lakhs, millions, trillions of stars we can see. Just remember children that what we have the star here, what we see the star here, same type of star are those also which we see on the night sky. Okay, just imagine, they look so small, isn't it? But they are very large, they are very huge, maybe bigger than the our star also. Okay, we don't know about them. Okay, so but we can say that planet, it is a very large round object in space that moves around the sun or another star is known as a planet. Okay, in Kannada we say grahagalu. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are in order from nearest to farthest from the sun. Okay, they are in order. Okay, they are in order from nearest to farthest from the sun, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, I repeat once again, our 8 planets are planets of our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Look at this picture, children. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Next comes the Venus. Next Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, they are from nearest to the farthest from the sun. Okay, so now let me discuss about the each and every planet in detail. Okay, first let us consider the Mercury. Here you are looking at the picture of a Mercury. Okay, Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Okay, if we look at a solar system, Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's just a little bigger than Earth's moon. What we see moon, isn't it? During night we see moon sometimes. Okay, 15 days. Okay, we see moon, isn't it? So it's just a little bigger than the Earth's moon. It is the closest planet to the sun. It is the closest. It means it's very nearest to the sun. Okay, but it's actually not the hottest. Yes, remember children. But it's actually not the hottest. Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Now let me move to the second planet. Okay, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun and the third brightest object in Earth's sky after the sun and moon. Look at this, children. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Okay, first is Mercury, second is Venus. It is the second planet from the sun and the third brightest object in Earth's sky after the sun and the moon. We say that if suppose anybody asks you which is the brightest thing in this in our solar system, in the sky. Okay, sorry, not in solar system, in our sky. If somebody asks which is the brightest object in our sky, then definitely we say first the sun, second the moon, and the third is the Venus planet. Okay, so third is the Venus planet. The planet is named for Venus, that is the Roman goddess of the love and beauty, and is the second largest terrestrial planet. Okay, it is the second largest planet. Yes, this is the beautiful picture of our Earth. Okay, and India is shown here. Look into the picture of the Earth. Okay, the Earth is at the right distance from the sun and has a right mixture of air, heat and water, which makes life possible on Earth. Yes or no, children? We all are living. You, me, everyone is living on this Earth, isn't it? Many animals, birds, insects, plants, everything. Okay, the Earth is at the right distance from the sun. Okay, it's not so nearest to the sun and it's not so farthest from the sun. Okay, the Earth is at the right distance from the sun and has right mixture of air. It means we can say that we have a proper atmosphere for all the creatures to live on this Earth. Yes or no? Heat and water, which makes life possible on Earth. Can you imagine life without air, water and sufficient amount of heat? Not at all. It is the only planet where life is known to exist. It is the only planet where life is known to exist. It means we can say that in other planets we cannot see any life, but we can see the life only on this Earth. Earth is 7,926 miles in size. It is not a smaller one. Okay, Earth is 7,926 miles in size. About 70% of the Earth is covered with water and 30% with land, as we have studied earlier in our classes, isn't it? So now let me move to the fourth planet. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Okay, Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Okay, first smallest, it means the most smallest is the Mercury and second smallest is the Mars, with a diameter distance through the middle of is how much, you know? 6,791 kilometers. It means it is roughly half of the size of the Earth. Okay, Mars is the half of the size of the Earth. It can get pretty cold on Mars, much colder than our own planet, since it's farther away from the sun. It means when we compare from Earth to Mars, we say that Mars is more colder than Earth, okay, because it is farther away from the sun. I hope this information was really helpful to you. And the next part of this video, let me continue in our next video. Thank you, children.